So when it comes to the different methods for CEPs and how to identify them, first there's qual, right? I feel that is kind of the traditional world. There's always qualitative to really understand core needs, but of course this can also be done in a more quant setting with an online survey with open-ended questions, and that's actually the gold standard that the Ehrenberg-Bass Institute recommends. So really go deep, talk to people, ask them why they bought a specific product, and really give them time to elaborate. The next method to identify and generate category entry points is our expert interviews. You probably are an expert for the category that you're researching yourself, right? You probably have a lot of implicit knowledge about why people choose the products, choose one brand over the other that can help inform category entry points. And you will probably also have a ton of internal or external experts on your side, like your marketing team, your sales or customer service team, and inviting them in like a workshop format maybe to collectively brainstorm can also be a super easy and low cost alternative to identify and generate category entry points. I already mentioned we're all researchers here, right? And we've probably have run a lot of research already on the category that our brands, our portfolio brands are operating in. So if you've done any usage and attitude studies, any jobs to be done studies, any demand moment studies, those are adjacent, similar concept to category entry points. And by following a framework that I will present to you in a second, you can pretty easily and simply kind of source CEPs from that existing past research findings. And then, of course, we're in 2026, there's always generative AI. And that pretty much gives you the power of the internet to source CEPs from. And this works quite well. At Quantitative, we have actually kind of developed and prompt engineered an AI-based tool that we call the CEP Generator that is free to use and specifically trained to follow the framework that I will present in a second. And we feel it gives you a pretty decent first step at understanding category entry points.